Today, I want to share with you how to learn AI in 2026 based on my experience because I use AI daily based in different layers of my life. And we have already halfway through 2026 and AI is still changing every single day. New models, new tools, new rules, new limitations, everything changed so quickly. And we need to be ready how to learn AI. And I mapped out the true path from beginner to expert how to learn AI today and summarize this in 5 layers and want to share these 5 layers now. AI is moving faster. Every week, new tools, new releases, something new happening. And I see two types of people stuck in the same problem. Those who want to learn everything at once and those who want to avoid it completely. That's exactly why I built this roadmap. I want to share my experience, my vision of how to go from zero to expert level based on my experience and the research I did. These 5 principles give you a completely pictures of how to learn AI, stay current, and focus on what actually matters. If this is helpful for you and useful, hit the subscribe button and let's go to 5 principles. Principle number 1, pick one tool and go deep, not wide. You don't need to know 10 tools. You need just to know one tool and go deeper or easier features that have inside this tool. Inside the tool, you can find skills, custom agents, projects, memory, integrations, API, and etc. If you know how to mix all these features, you will increase your productivity and expertise in this tool. Principle number 2, explain the context. Don't try to write the perfect comment. AI is not a mind reader. It needs the context the same way, and you in turn needs context on the day number 1. You can prepare the 5 elements framework. You can find the video where I share more details how to use this 5 elements framework. But this 5 elements framework includes context, goal, scope, data, and expected result. I will drop the full breakdown on this in the description along with the complete roadmap if you want to go deeper. Set up the context once, then you reuse the structure instead of reinventing the prompt every single time. Principle number 3, don't trust the first answer. Always validate and check the information because AI can sound completely confident and still be wrong. I always recommend check facts and numbers. Always ask the original source or reference link. Double check the information is actually true or no. Pay attention to sensitive data you share in the process. And you need to transform this simple rules to habit and always use this habit when you work with AI. Principle 4, start from the task, not from the tool. This is about integrating AI into your actual workload around the task you already do every week. I shared more details in my previous video, link will be here, but now I want to share you completely a simple step how to start using this. Analyze your previous week, find the repeatable task, and understand how you can automate or integrate AI in your task and save your time. That's why you start from task, then choose the tool. Principle number 5, build yourself a list of small AI projects. You can generate simple projects that help you learn an AI tools based on your own cases on your daily life. I always ask AI to do this and help me generate this list of the project based on some theme that I want to learn. But I always keep a simple fix. Always keep it small and specific, one habit, one task, one week. Here's the whole point in just one line. You don't need to chase every release. Build these 5 habits once and they keep working no matter what tools launch next. If you want a step-by-step path from beginner to strategies, I added a free link to my roadmap that you can download and use as learning material. Link in the description. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments. I would love to hear where you are on this path. And if you want to catch the next video, subscribe so you don't miss it. So, see you there.